Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu reports, while Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was sitting, a Jew came and said, "O the father of Qasim, one of your companions slapped me." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Who?" He submitted, "An Ansari." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Summon him." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam inquired, "Do you beat him?" He submitted, "I heard him saying on an oath in the market, by him who has given Moses superiority over all the human being." I said, "O wicked, even over Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam." So I got infuriated and I slapped him on his face. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Do not discriminate among the prophets alayhimus salam, for the people will faint on the day of resurrection. So first of all the earth will be rent for me, and Hazrat Moosa will be there holding the leg of the throne. I do not know by conjecture whether he fainted or the first faint was counted in his connection." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2412.